news report on your number one business radio, Brown Street Radio. The Ilorin Zonal Command of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission on Monday rearranged Okpe Saraki, a cousin to former Senate President Dr. Bukola Saraki, and a former Commissioner for Information in Kwara State, Olatunji Morofeye, for abuse of office, diversion of funds, and money laundering. This duo was rearranged on separate charges before Justice Mohammed Sani of the Federal High Court, Ilorin. The case, which started on May 13, 2015, before Justice A. Faji of the Federal High Court, Ilorin, has suffered a series of setbacks occasioned by the transfer of the trial judges. Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike has said the historical legal battle between the Rivers State government and the Federal Inland Revenue Service with respect to value-added tax will prove whether the country respects the rule of law or not. The governor said the decision of the state government to seek judicial interpretation on VAT collection was aimed at strengthening the rule of law and Nigeria's democracy. Wike stated this when the managing director of Business Day newspaper, Dr. Owo Okiti, led a delegation to present a letter of nomination to him as the Business Day Most Impactful Governor Award at the Government House, Port Harcourt, on Monday. The project management consultant for the 60-daily metric ton Bayelsa Cassava Processing Factory, Mr. Adebowale Ayoade, has said about 1,000 ex-agitators and delegates of the Presidential Amnesty Program will begin training at the facility in the first quarter of 2022. Ayoade, however, said the training was subject to the approval of the PAP's leadership. He described the facility as the biggest industrial starch plant in Nigeria and the second largest sub-Saharan Africa, saying delegates will receive theoretical and practical trainings on cassava cultivation, starch processing, and management. Osun State Commissioner of Police Wale Olokode on Monday said one of the suspects held in connection with the death of Timothy Adegoke, a master's student of Obafemi Awolowo University, Ile-Ife, had confessed that son of the owner of Hilton's Hotels and Resorts, Ile-Ife, Rohim Adedoyin, arranged how the corpse was evacuated and taken to the bush. The police boss said Rohim, who is the managing director of the hotel where the late Adegoke reportedly died, organized how the corpse was evacuated from the facility and buried without informing the police. Featuring on a radio program, Funk Talk, monitored on Rev FM, Oshogbo Olokode, however, said Rohim is on the run, adding that in the course of police investigation into the matter, detectives were able to discover where the corpse was buried. He said one of the suspects confessed that the MD is the son of Dr. Ramon Adedoyin. His name is Rohim Adedoyin, who is now at large. He also confessed that Rohim organized the corpse to be thrown into a bush. The MD, along with two managers, took the corpse to the bush. Capital inflow to Nigeria has crashed by 80% in 2 years, the Central Bank of Nigeria reports have indicated. Specifically, capital inflow to Nigeria fell from $17.1 billion in July 2019 to $3.4 billion in July 2021. The central bank reports showed that Nigeria recorded 17.1 billion naira capital inflow between January and July 2019. However, between January and July 2021, the country recorded only $3.4 billion as capital inflow, indicating a fall of 80%. Furthermore, capital inflow fell from 8.6 billion naira in 2020 to 3.4 billion naira in 2021. This is the midday news update on your number one business radio, Broad Street Radio, in association with Automedics Auto Care Limited, Agile Estate Branch, and Dependable Securities Limited. I am Atusi James Chuku, and you are listening to your number one business radio, Broad Street Radio. Do well to follow us on all our social media platforms. Follow and like our page on Facebook at Broad Street Radio NG. Join the conversations on our Instagram handle at Broad Street Rad. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Broad Street Radio NG on YouTube. And our website is www.broadstreetradio.com. You could also visit us in our office space at number 5860 Broad Street in Lagos Island. And for sponsorship and advert placements, you can call the numbers 0809-791-0073 or 0803-436-1400, or you send a mail to hello@broadstreetradio.com. You can also download our mobile apps on your mobile devices. Your Google Play Store for Android phone users and Apple Store for Apple phone users is where to go, respectively, to download Broad Street Radio mobile app. Enjoy the rest of the day. Scam Alert is at 1 o'clock p.m. on your afternoon business show on the number one business radio, Broad Street Radio. We'll be right back. Don't go anywhere.